Tamil culture. This core Tamil culture, it is the pride of Tamil culture, is the Jallikattu. Even every villager play that. So we are very thankful for our Honorable Prime Minister. So this is Prime Minister and BJP are safeguarding the Tamil culture. It is not the Dravidian parties like Stalin.
Ma'am, one last question. MK Stalin saying that BJP is permanent coronavirus.
How can they say? Because they all have a DNA, anti-Tamil DNA, anti-national DNA. We are the custodian of culture. This is not coronavirus. We are cultural virus.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ma'am. Thank you so much.
एक मिनट बात खत्म करना है ना.
Sir, what would you like to say on Pongal?
Really happy every year on year, our Honorable Minister Muruganji invites the Honorable Prime Minister to be part of Pongal celebration, and we are honored. At least we from Tamil Nadu, and of course, being in the party, we are honored that Pongal is being celebrated, and we are honored to be present along with the Honorable Prime Minister for Pongal this year.
Sir, the BJP is saying that Tamil Nadu government is imposing Dravidian culture, Dravidian Pongal in Tamil Nadu. They are taking
The
off
Pongal is basically for the Tamil Nadu Tamil culture. There is no Dravidian Aryan Pongal. Pongal is for it's a harvest season. Throughout the country it is celebrated. It is for the farmers of the country. So Pongal is for the farmers. We pray to the sun god. We pray to Bhuma Devi for having given us this yield. That is why Pongal is celebrated. Thank you, sir.
Shakti gets green signal from social media. What's your comment on Parashakti film?
Yeah.
What's your comment, sir?
Parasakti is a film which has been about Hindi agitation that took place in Tamil Nadu. It is basically the event that took place in the period of 1965 when Congress was in rule here. So the way they were treated, because they wanted to bring it as an official language, that was the Hindi agitation that went on. So the movie as such has been taken trying to depict what has ever happened during the Hindi agitation. It is based on the true event, but it is fictionalized for the movie viewers.
And sir, what about Jan Nagyan? Jan Nagyan.
Jananayagan, the censor has had some objections. I think